adventures of 26 Miles Jack and Moby. Crashing through buildings. Jumping off cliffs. Crashing their cars into drains. Stealing people's pie, eating chili, jumping out airplanes and more. The adventures of 26 Miles Jack and Moby. 26 Miles Jack sets off all the fireworks in the firework warehouse. Moby, we need a job, but what job?
Beep.
Yes, the firework warehouse, home to the world's most dangerous fireworks, and there's even the nuclear firework. Later.
You're hired, just don't mess this up.
Ah, Bill Gates.
You're hired, just don't mess this up. You're hired, just don't mess this up.
Wow, this is the biggest warehouse ever. Let's get to work. Wow, this warehouse is cold. I will just light up the fireplace tomorrow, the next day. There, I have the torch since I'm too poor for a flamethrower. Whoops! Oh no, it's been set off. Get out of here before the dangerous fireworks explode.
This is fine. You're fired.
Aw man. The end.